Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed your pin is no longer available on Windows. Hold Shift key, click power button, click restart. Click troubleshoot, click advanced options, click command prompt. Type regedit. Select H key local machine. Click file, click load hive. Click this PC. Select your operating system drive. Windows directory, System32 directory. Open config directory. Select software, click open. Type M software, click OK. Click and expand H key local machine. Click and expand M software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click and expand passwordless. Click device. Open device passwordless build version change value data to 0, click OK. Close and exit registry editor. Type exit, click turn off your PC. Restart system. Click sign in options. Type password. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.